just hope you can stop big enough to freeze time.
Trust me, sir. Manipulating just enough time to continue for one night cold will do it always the easy part.
Yes.
Hey,
Who's hungry?
hey guys, how you doing? Listen, come here.
Exciting news. It's gonna put a little spring into your healthy system.
Santa says he really wants you to take a break. So, there's a delicious bath of steaming, hot comfort in the lounge with your last name done. Oh, it's a tantalizing blend of full, rich cocoa with just a suggestion of vanilla. Get in there and find some motion. Got your names on it. Enjoy. The sumptuous blend of golden transpansion is sweet to the palate, but oh so warm to the tummy. Nuts, oranges, enough to drive the taste buds mad.
Look at the size of that oven. You can cook a woolly mammoth in there. Come on now, let's have something to eat. Boy, you got some operation. You've been holding out on us. Why the secrets? Secrets? There's no secrets. I don't have any secrets. Why would I have some problem with them? There's no secret.
Six. You must be the in-laws. So very pleased to meet you.
Bud, Sylvia, this is
Jack Frost.
No, not Jack Frost. He's playing Jack Frost in our Yippee It's Canada parade.
Oh yes, of course. To bring frosty cheer to the workers. I'm kind of like the team mascot, eh? Rah-rah.
Who does it?
Like, it's I freeze by. Sir, can I borrow you for a moment?
Yeah, excuse me, just a minute. We have a small paperwork problem.
You go right ahead. I'll make sure everyone's as happy as a lark. Well, that's why I'm here. Cucurcinos, anyone?
Eh.